Next, we have problem 8. The area of a triangle ABC is 26.83 cm squared, and the product of its three sides is 504 cubic centimeter. How far from the vertex A is the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisectors of its sides? Nabanggit dito, intersection ng perpendicular bisectors. So, recalling the properties of triangle, we know na yung intersection na yan yung tinatawag nating circumcenter. So, si circumcenter, so meron kayong circle, tapos meron tayong triangle sa loob. Kasi ito yung triangle na yun. Ito yung vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, and then this is side A, this is side B, this is side C. So, ang area daw ng ating triangle, that is 26.83 cm squared. And then yung product ng tatlong sides, so side natin, di ba, is A, B, and C. So, yung product daw ng tatlong sides, so A times B times C, this is 504 cm cube. So, tinatanong, gaano daw kalayo yung point of intersection ng ating perpendicular bisector papunta sa isang side. So, yung ating perpendicular bisector, so, kumbaga, ito, yung ating side C, hatiin natin into equal parts, same with the sides A and side B. As mag-drawing kayo ng line perpendicular to that side, lang ayusin natin. Medyo tagilid siya. Unahin ko na lang siguro ito. So, ito dapat perpendicular, ito perpendicular, ito din is perpendicular. So, kung yung point kung saan sila magsasalubong, ito yung ating circumcenter. Now, tinatanong, gaano daw kalayo yung point of intersection na to? So, di ba, ito yung ating circumcenter. So, gaano daw kalayo yan papunta dun sa ating vertex A. So, ito yun. Ano daw yung distance na ito? So, yung distance na yan, basically, yan yung radius ng ating circle. And then, recalling, meron tayong formula ng area pagdating kay circumcircle. So, yung area ng triangle inside our circle, this is A times B times C divided by 4R. So, rearranging this, we can express R as A, B, C over 4A. So, pinagpalit lang natin ang position C, A, and R. So, yung R na to, yun yung distance ng vertex A papunta kay circumcenter. So, yung A times B times C, ito yung 504. So, di na natin kailangan mag-compute kasi binigay na niya. Then, divide natin 4 times the area na 26.83. So, the distance na hinahanap is 4.696 cm. So, ito yung radius ng ating circumscribing circle.